Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen and ladies, I missed your faces. This is gonna be a quick video. Blue is not done out of the body shop yet, unfortunately. He's still waiting for the trunk. They said it was 2 days out, and it's been like 10 days. I'll tell you what, the pollen game on Black Diamond is ridiculous. She is filthy. I don't think she's ever been this dirty, ever. Let me look at her. I mean, look at it, it's gross. I need to wash her. I just haven't had any time. But in this video, I just want to update you real quick on some of the future things that are gonna happen here. Now, I was trying to post a video every single Wednesday. I'm gonna scratch that. I'm just gonna post a video whenever I can make a video and get it up for you guys, because with work and everything going on, I might be traveling some more. It's just gonna be really hard to get videos uploaded. So we're gonna walk up here to my little closet. It's actually a break room that no one uses at work, and I just store my stuff up here. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on. Actually, if any of you need some 10th gen stuff, I got some. So I got 2 sets of taillights for hatchbacks. So if you own a hatchback 10th gen Civic and you need a taillight, let me know. I got 2 sets. The Sport exhaust, Sport Touring exhaust. I already did sell the downpipe, so I don't have that. But if you need the exhaust, I have that. I mean, I got sway bars, I got the springs, I got all 3 factory intakes from all the cars. There's the eBay front lip, which I might end up giving away down the road here. Factory, oh, that's another lip. I think that's for the 10th gen. I mean, I got all kinds of stuff. I have a practically brand new set of Michelin tires, 18s, 800 miles on them, which I'll probably end up throwing them on the Sport. I got some rain guards that I bought and painted, and I didn't like the way they look, so I didn't put them on. Maybe I'll give them away down the road too, maybe. We'll see. But I got so much stuff here for the 10th gen Civic, it's ridiculous. But the other thing I want to do is I wanted to show you what's coming here in the future. And believe me, I got a lot. I got a lot. So I can't wait to get the car back. I can't wait to get blue. Come on, Maddie. I need blue back. But let me show you what we got going. And as you can see, you kind of, I think you know what that piece is, right? This is not accurate. That is actually an ACR rear diffuser. I thought the ACR looked better than the Yofer, so I went with that one. Appreciate my man who did that. When we get to the install video, I will talk to you more about him. I got a little partnership with Synth Carbon. So you guys might know what this might be. A little Mugen style. And a couple other little things in there that we're going to be installing here in the near future. This one I am looking forward to the most. I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek. You ready? You ready? Ooh, that's all you get. Sorry. And I got some underglow right here that I've been meaning to install. I was going to put it on the R since the Sport is out of commission at the moment. I was going to throw it on the R, but I changed my mind, and I'm just going to leave it for the Sport. And believe me, there's a lot more to come too. Gotta go in with LASFIT again to give you guys some floor mats. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can find out. We're gonna be partnered up, giving away some floor mats, maybe even some lighting. So I hope you're looking forward to all that. The other thing I want to talk about is the last 2 giveaway winners haven't reached out to me. Here's the DRLs. Here's the spoiler. You guys need to go back and watch those 2 videos and see if you won. I'm going to give you another 2 weeks. 2 more weeks to get a hold of me to get these. If I don't hear from you, I'm going to redo the giveaway again. And in fact, I'm practically just going to pick somebody. I don't even care. I'm just going to pick them so I can get rid of the stuff. And in fact, I might even just give away that eBay front lip too. So if you want that eBay front lip, let me know in the comments below. Just put a thumbs up emoji, thumbs up in the comments section, and I will pick a winner in the steering wheel video. I don't know when it's going to come out, but that's when the winner will be chosen for that front lip. So if you want in for that, you got to be subscribed, you got to like this video, and you got to leave an emoji with a thumbs up. That's all. Guys, that's all I have for now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I know it's really short and it's just me talking, you know, nothing real spectacular. This weekend is Imports of Carlisle, so if you're looking forward to that, I will be there. It is supposed to rain Friday and Saturday, which is extremely unfortunate. But the best job to have is a weatherman, because you could always be wrong and it doesn't matter, right? Or a weather person, I should say. So if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I will see you in the next one.